Hey guys, how you doing? This is EJ Uno coming back with another vlog. Today, me and Day One Valencia, we're going to go see our old apartment that we used to stay at, where we used to live before we are where we are right now. And we about to go check it out in here and see what it's about. Oh shoot. So we about to go check it out and see how it is in here, and then we'll be back. Okay, so here was where we used to, Valencia grew up. Well, this is our first apartment that we had alone. So I'm gonna take a look on it right here. So yeah, so this is where Valencia used to be when she used to be growing up. And then I remember that was my window over there, right there. And then we used to be over here taking pictures. This is the stairs we used to be at. This would be like, oh God, I remember being over there. That was cool. So many memories. Yeah. I know. Well, no, I'm talking about what dolls we had. But this is where we used to be all the time. And then Valencia used to be, we used to go over here. This gate didn't used to be here. And then we used to, we used to go walking. Valencia used to take bike rides down there. And then, yeah, this would be pretty cool right here. So we had to take her out here. She used to go bike riding right here. Old memories. And then, there's a pool over there. And, pretty cool though. So yeah, so that was a little memory drive down memory lane. And it was pretty cool though, man. The old memories we used to have when we used to be there. That's be so cool. Valencia, that's where we spend like all our time, is over there. Valencia, I think since when you were like a six or seven or something like that. Yeah, there's a trash can. Oh my God, that we used to go. We'd take the dog walking over there. It wasn't too much over there, but God.
There's a dog park down there. I remember that.
Yeah, there's a dog park over there. I don't know what happened to it. It used to be, within those weeds or something like that. I remember we used to sit on those benches over there. Oh, this is cool. This is crazy. And then the pool that we used to just, that's a small pool compared to what we have right now.
How did I not swim in that?
I know.
Really short.
A small one. That was a small one. So trust me, be blessed from what you got, because that's, oh my gosh. And there was a mail that I never used to get. I used to have mail coming and never used to get it. It was crazy. And then
Hell is it that?
and then here when we moved across the street, we used to be over here at this apartment, huh?
That person's car still there?
Oh, he still lived there.
Oh.
He was like, what that? Yeah, he still lived there. Him and his mom. Oh my God. So that was the one part we used to live at. But we lived in three different buildings. This is where I stayed with my ex. We used to stay in that one all the way up top right there. All the way up top. We used to stay there with her, and then it was crazy. And then this is where I met with my ex-girlfriend Karen. She was parked right here, and I remember when I met her over there, it was crazy. But story I gotta tell. But anyway, yeah. So we lived in 3 different apartments. It was like one when I was with my ex. Then we moved, and I was by myself for a while. And then we moved. Then our last spot was in a 2-bedroom apartment. We could have kept it, but trust me, I'm like blessed. I'm very blessed at where I'm at right now and what I have. And remember I used to take you out there, play out there.
Yeah. Isn't there a tennis court right here?
No, ain't no tennis court around here.
Oh, not right
That was Rolling Hills. Yeah. Then we used to be like right there, and then yeah. That was crazy. We might go check out our other one too. We might drive past it. But yeah, so I was like, always be blessed. If you came up, always be blessed where you at. You know what I'm saying? Because you could be in a bad spot, but I'm very, very blessed. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, get on with we might go check out our old place too, but we just doing some more stuff. So we'll be vlogging some more. Blah, blah, blah. We'll be vlogging some more. I know. All right, guys, I'll be back. Okay, so right now we are at Target, looking around, and for some reason, I wanted to get this Brontosaurus from Jurassic Park, and I just wanted to get it. I don't know why. I had the gift card, so I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna go get it. I don't know why I wanted to get it, but I did. Let's see what else I got here, baby. Baby girl, for Funko Pops. So I'm gonna pick this up finally after looking at it constantly, day and night, night and day. Finally got it. So let's see what they got here. I'm doing this with one hand. Look at these Funko Pops. There's The Office, and there's Richard Simmons.
Who's Richard Simmons?
That workout guy. I mean, you're too young to remember, but. Huh? Got some Gremlins, some Predator, the Naked, what's called whatever name is, Gremlin. So anyway, I'll pick him up and I'm gonna see what else they got. See what else they got here. So we'll be back. So now we made our way to the mall and about to go to my favorite store. What's my favorite store, Valencia? Puma. So I'm about to get on there. I gotta put my mask on. So here we see what they have at the store. They ones walking so fast. Reebok. Oh, Nike ain't busy. They usually like pack. But anyway, we're going to my favorite store. Seeing what they got on sale here. Whistles pretzels. I'll be making Whistles pretzels at home. Huh? I'll be saying I'll be making Whistles pretzels at home. There's some trash. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. So let me see if they have the shoes that I'm looking for. How you doing? Oh, they do. Oh, these pretty tight. How you doing? These are pretty cool right here. See if they got no clean. Let's see if they got those. Let's see if they got over here. So here they got some over here. Got these for $45. These look pretty cool. These are the ones I've been talking about. Buzzy, well, look at these. Tell me these don't look tight.
Color, not the shape.
Huh?
Not the shape either.
$30. $30 for these? That's pretty tight.
Those are nice.
What, these? These look pretty tight. Might have to grab these. Might have to grab these. I got these at home. $45 not for these. $45. Trying to see what you guys think about these. What about these?
Nah.
Yeah? Can you hold this real quick? Hold on.
What are these?
No? They even have a box? Oh. These a little bit too much. These are like.
Those aren't.
These are, how much is this? 28. I got these.
He wears size 7?
No, I'm talking about the color one. Let me check over here. Sorry. Can you hold it? Sure.
It's all you have. We have one of these.
What about these?
All this
Huh?
No, too much red.
Too much red.
Thank you.
Good, how you doing?
Okay, let me know if you guys need help.
Oh. Alright, appreciate you. That's right, bro. What's it? They know?
Yeah, everyone's talking to you.
I mean, I think I got something like that anyway. See this? Oh, never mind. Too big. Yeah, these are pretty tight though.
Oh, idiot.
Huh?
Nothing.
These are very tight. Man, I really want those blue ones though, but it's like, man, they're 45, and I'm like, man. Shut up. For some reason, I want to get. Except for some reason, I want to get these.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want. I don't want to pay for this. No. For about 67, 80. I think I'm gonna get these. Yeah. Let's see what I want to get. Hey guys, so we are back right now, and this is a couple days later than when we were vlogging about before. But now we're gonna me and Day One, we're gonna have some fun with the water guns, and then we got the Nerf guns in there. So we about to start shooting at each other, huh?
Where was the gun at?
Huh? Yeah, volleyball court. So then we gonna have a little gun fight. Then we're gonna see who wins. We've been having these for a while, but we about to have some fun and shoot at each other and see who wins. So we're right back. All right. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. I got it in my mouth. Go. Sorry, guys. Dang it.
Would you like to hear yourself film?
What you say?
Would you like to hear yourself film the mud?
Sorry, motherfucker. Dang, I don't like this gun. I gotta keep on refilling it. This is like Call of Duty. You don't want none of this? Dang it.
Yes, it is.
I got one more in there.
Oh.
I got you. Okay, guys. I'm out here getting her right now. She thinks she got me right now. She over there. Thinks she gonna kill me. But I got her. Got something for her right now. What you say? Can't get me. You suck. But we about to have some fun, more fun. Be back. All right, guys. Hey guys, so we are back right now. Came back home, had a fun time doing some water gun shooting, and so we're chilling out. Day one's in the bathroom taking a shower. I'm sitting here about to edit this video, and about to get on to the next one. We're about to have a session actually out here, questionnaire about me and her. So stay tuned for that. And we about to do, and this, you know what I'm saying, we just got like a couple videos, a few videos that's coming back to back at you. So get ready, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and let me get down vlogging this video, you know what I'm saying, so I can stop, shut up, and edit this video, you know what I'm saying. Like I'm just rushing to get to the next. I want you guys to enjoy everything that I'm doing, everything I'm bringing to the channel. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I'm gonna let Mateo take this one out. Mateo. Where you at? Tell him stay tuned. Tell him don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Say I'm out.